Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi, what's up people out there? This is me Ashish from ashvircreations. Welcome back to another episode of Photoshop. Well, today in this video I'm gonna give you free smoke brushes which you can use in your Photoshop. So download this file from the link given in the description. So you can download it for free, and download this file and right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract one folder that is of smoke brushes. Now just open the folder and select the smoke brush ABR file and just right click on it and select open, and that's it. It will automatically open in the Photoshop. Or else if it is not open, then you have to install it in another way. So right click on it and select copy from there. Go to the my computer, then select C drive from there, then go to the program files, go to the Adobe, then just go to the Adobe Photoshop CC or whatever the Photoshop version you are using. Just go to that folder, then go to the preset folder, then select the brushes and right click on it and select the paste and press continue. That's it. Smoke brushes will be automatically added in this brush folder. So just refresh it, and all you have to do is just open the Photoshop and let's see how it actually works. So let's open the Photoshop. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then just do subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, where you can find new PNG, color lookup, 3D LUTs, LUT files, and camera preset, Lightroom preset, everything for free. Let's open the Photoshop and see how the brush of the smoke are actually installed or not. And let's see how are the brushes we have. Now let's open the one of the image. Let's say this image. Just drag and drop to open it. So we have opened the image. Now let's create one new layer from here and just select the brush from here. Right click on it and just go to the smoke brushes. Here are our smoke brushes which we have installed. So you can select any of the brush from here. Let's say this brush. Now increase the size by pressing bracket key from the keyboard. Just paint it. Here is one of the smoke. Again let's create new layer. Select another brush. Let's say this. Increase the size and just paint it. Here is another smoke brush. Let's create one more layer. Select the brush tool, and again you can select one more brush from here. Increase the size and just paint it. And here is other smoke brush. If you want to see more, and you can go to the settings and then select the preset manager, select smoke brushes, and you can select it from here also. Let's say we select this brush and just press OK, done. So it will automatically select that brush, or you can select it from here. Here you can see the perfect smoke of the color. You can use different smoke brush. It will create an awesome smoke in the photograph. You can change the menu of the brushes Let's select this. Here you can see one other smoke brush. Let's select one more brush. Here is one of the new type of smoke brush. Just like this way you can use different type of smoke brushes in your photograph. So you can press Ctrl T and transform it. Like this. You can play with the colors, whatever you want to. Just like this. So here you can see the perfect example of smoke brushes. Let's take one more example on another image. Right? Select the brush tool and select the brush. Let's select the color. Create new layer and just paint one stroke. Press Ctrl D. You can flip it horizontal way or vertical way. You can add wherever you want to add. Again create new layer, select brush and again select different brush. This is how you can add a different type of brushes in your photograph. Here are more than 25 brushes are given in this pack. You can use it in your photo or the video. This is how you can create a stunning look in your photo by using these smoke brushes. Again create new layer and just paint one stroke of the brush. Press Ctrl T and you can adjust it. This is how you can create smoke brushes in your photograph. So like this way you have to install the smoke brushes and you can use it to create a smoke explosion effect in your photograph. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video then press the like button and subscribe to my channel and just press the bell icon so that you will notify whenever I post new video. And thank you for watching. Bye bye till the next video.